We met before doing business together.
Yes. Actually, before even
Nexus existed.
Yeah, right. Real estate, right?
Yep.
So yeah, we met through a mutual friend. You were
Which
helping
is?
DJ Delicious. So,
Shout out to Michael
Mike
Mancini.
Mancini, absolutely. You're putting us together years and years and years ago.
Yep.
My other big mentor is Bob D'Amico, Robert D'Amico at D'Amico and Birchfield.
Yep.
I worked with him and Jimmy Birchfield, so they both became, great mentors. They actually gave me the first opportunity to actually be a man. Is when I say man, it's like to run a business, learn a profit and loss, really dig into the meats and bones. If you don't set the expectations with anybody or anything in life, you're going to find yourself backtracking and working doubly as hard.
Yes.
Trying to fix the problem.
Yes.
When if you had that, again, we have those conversations with clients and they forget all about that and they still come at you at the end. But I would think if you're putting yourself in the best selling cycle, the best case scenario, and we're getting your referrals going correctly, the first conversation you have with somebody is your expectations and their expectations. And right now, people unfortunately are just not acting correctly. I don't know how to say it like any other way, but like
it's a really
sellers
polite way.
So yeah, well,
You're not acting correctly.
Just because there are tensions everywhere, sellers, buyers, the simultaneous closings going on, a short amount of time to perform on a closing, and extensions being needed. It's creating a lot of animosity. I have a 3-year-old daughter. And one of the shows that we watch is Sesame Street. And one of the things that they always talk about, and they teach kids at the youngest levels, is how to be kind. So, anybody out there listening, realtor, loan officer, settlement agent, attorney, be kind. You catch more bees with honey than you do vinegar. And if we can all work in that manner of being that type of person, I guarantee you our lives will not only be better, our businesses will be better, and overall, great things will happen. I always say that the craziest things, and I know anybody who, probably closing agents or attorneys will hear this and they'll laugh, but why is every seller going on vacation the day of the closing?
I was just going to ask the same thing. They're always going to Florida.
Everybody's always got the family trip. They're going to Euro Disney, and there's no way we can. I mean, come on, people. Like, what are we doing?
It's a lie.